girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, GRACIE Abrams with a song called Where Do We Go Now? A great song, beautiful, like it always is from GRACIE here. So let's start with this one. It's a very easy strumming pattern, easy chords as well, 4 chords. Let's start with the capo set here on the 1st fret. And with that said, it's actually almost like 3 chords. We have a final 4th chord just on one spot here in the song, otherwise 3 chords. But let's go over them. We'll start with the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we have F sharp minor. That's a bar chord, so place a bar over all strings on the 2nd fret, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. Then we have E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And these are the 3 main chords, and then we will just throw in an A as well here in the end of the bridge part. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, so D, F sharp minor, E, and A. That strumming pattern, we will illustrate that with the D. So grab that chord, and one strumming round will be down, up, down, up. So we will use the down, up part here, so it doesn't get that high numbers of down, up only. So otherwise we had to multiply that, all the numbers, but we'll keep it low here. So the strumming pattern will be down, up, down, up. And with that, we're gonna start the first verse. We're gonna have 4 strumming rounds of D. So down, up is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you shift to the F sharp minor, 2, and E, 2. Okay, that short little chord progression you do for 3 rounds. So again, D4, F sharp, 2, E2, and the final round, D4, F sharp, 2, E2, and then you finish off with D8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you look at that as one chord progression, the D4, F sharp, 2, and E minor, E2 for 3 rounds, and then D8 in the end. If all that is one chord progression round, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is your first verse. That takes us to the chorus. Okay, so you're gonna continue the same strumming pattern. Now you're gonna play D4, D8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you play E4 and F sharp minor 4. If all that is one chord progression round, like D8, E4, and F sharp minor 4, you play that for 2 rounds, and that is your chorus, like this. Times 2. That takes us to the 2nd verse, and it's just repetition now. It's the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the 2nd chorus, played in the same way as the chorus we just learned. Okay, so after that comes a bridge part in the lyrics we could meet down the line. Okay, so here you will play D4, E4, F sharp minor 4, and back to E4. If you look at that as one chord progression round, you will play that for 4 rounds. And in the final 4th round, instead of playing the last E minor 4 there, the absolutely last chord here in this bridge part, you replace that with A instead, and this is where the A comes in. So the last fourth round will be D4, E minor 4, F sharp minor 4, and A2 plus 1 down and the pause, and that pause builds up for the final chorus. So I'm just gonna play the last chord progression round here. It goes like D4, E4, F sharp 4, and A2, 1 down. And then comes the final chorus, and guess what? That chorus is played in the same ways as all the previous choruses, so nothing changes there, and that wraps it up for the song called Where Do We Go Now? Yeah, we'll see. I will take a break now, and I will come back to you pretty soon. But till then, guys, play tuned.